Backtesting every day to trade better day 56. Yeah. Okay. Gonna get like right to it. All time highs and gonna look for longs. Already past open here. Had this open candle that created the gap. And here, basically this was the entry candle. Here. It's not an abnormal increase in volume. Yeah, it is kind of. Still not. I have this gap here. This high. This high to target was this high. And all-time highs. So whatever gives me at least the one risk reward with a proper stop loss around here. I could do like that. That will be one risk reward. Then I'll go break even on the gap. So we on the retest of the gap here. Get me out break even, gonna take profit. And not immediately, now we have this gap close again. Okay, the first high, just a double high here, so once we close above that, decent volume. Another gap close. And again, this point. So same point, same everything. Okay, that's a nice close above. Entry and that, gonna target just probably past all-time highs. See? Yeah, I have to target past all-time highs, so gonna put at the low. Okay. I would have probably gotten break even here. So no, I will just get out of break even here. Because of the time, just like 1 hour before market close. Look at trading all-time highs is so easy. Just long. Fuck, I want to scale to such higher payouts, man. We'll close above it here, we'll close above pretty good volume. So that will be the trade. Okay. I was wrong about the entry because it was not an abnormal amount of volume because of this high. I need to account for stuff like that, like, it is obvious. Is my screen so laggy? I do have a bunch of stuff open though. Oh wait, did I close Streamio? Hold on, let me open up Streamio, I wanna watch something. Okay, first high here, then next high up here. And then a gap. First high and the next high. So this was a good close. Oh, but we're in a gap. I just push this through. Fuck this gap. And the gap close here. Then first high, next high. Increase in volume. Though, look at the time. No. Even if it would have worked out, like, yeah, so the time is not worth the risk. This gap closed, also swap the lows here. First high, next high up here. Increase in volume here. Oh, I got like nothing to place my tire to. Just gonna stretch it a bit higher. So take profit. Wow, it went a lot higher though. Well, first high, next all the way up there. First high, basically a bunch of highs in the same area. It's 7 p.m. Let's increase in volume. I'm not gonna enter because of the hour. The gap here. Let's increase in volume here. Should also be very sheer, like this close. Yeah. Let's increase in volume. Oh, like what a minute break even. Sadly, it's a break even because it edged my target. I go break even on these. Since it can also mean a reversal. It's an entry between the gap. Oh, we had a 4-hour gap as well here. So here I should have been already bearish. First slow, slow. Definitely an increase in volume here. But I'm not if I should be bearish based on the hourly. I would rather not trade that. Sadly, even though it would have hit take profits. Here I would have been still bearish. Let's see if there was an entry here. Break even already here. Okay, no trades here. Man, it's like I know where price is going, but there's like no fucking entry. Well, like getting absolutely no fucking trades. 4 days, no entries. Wait, what was hit first? The low, then the gap, probably. There was an increase in volume. I was at a bad fucking close because it wasn't like a lot below. No, it looked like a fine close. Now I guess price action here. Oh wait, we're in all-time highs already. Fuck, we've recovered. I've taken a short. Man, I'm a retard. This open already, I should have been only looking for longs. Let's increase in volume as well. It's a bad placement. Why is it stuck here? It's a crazy way, because I would wait for another gap close. Nice profit. I mean, that's an entry. It's gonna be the last trade I do as well. Oh, it's not an entry, this is before market open. And great catch on that. Seven. Increase in volume. Pretty huge wick on it, so yeah, this confirms that this is an entry. I'm gonna target this high. Okay, like that. Yeah, that's just a huge rejection. I guess the wick matters as well, because if there's absorption, can't really enter on a huge volume. So I think I'll just start to consider that as well, because I see it happening a lot. Okay, there's a huge increase in volume, but the wick is still there, so price is still rejecting the entry. Oh, that's a good close. I'm gonna go break even here because of the time and take profit. This was the last day. So when there's gone up a bit, this month is like It's going nice so far. Yeah, honestly, great start so far, just one loss. But I won't say like this.